Researchers are surprised by the James Webb Space Telescope's new arrival of perceptions that have never been seen before. This has caused a ton of fervor and discussion as an extraordinary accomplishment in the investigation of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope has uncovered a dazzling scene, an ethereal woven artwork made with strings of radiant luminosity. See this astounding picture that shows the introduction of not one, not two, but an astounding 6 galaxies. Their starbeds were made only 500 million years after the Big Bang, which was an extremely boisterous blast. These galaxies glimmer like new stars in the divine creation, an indication of the eternal forces that shaped the universe. We now have a much better comprehension of the cosmos on account of the James Webb Space Telescope, which has shown us many astounding things in space that we were unable to see before. This space telescope has opened up a universe of astounding galactic revelations thanks to its state-of-the-art technology and cutting-edge gear. Considering the enormous amounts of money that went into building and designing the James Webb Space Telescope, it was definitely justified. When you take a gander at how large things in space are, it seems as though the universe is determined to occupy the vastness with amazing phenomena. Alones is a radio galaxy that was found by accident by the diligent work of the Ghostwood team, which was led by the brilliant PhD student Martin Joe. At the center of this galaxy lies one of the most powerful black holes in the universe. Its gravity pulls matter toward it, resulting in solid jets of energy as radio waves are emitted. These radio jets come from various parts of the galaxy's heart, which makes it unique. Radio galaxies like Alones are extremely intriguing and are believed to have straight lengths longer than 2.3 million light-years. At the heart of this astounding cosmic event, a colossal black hole watches over all that matter, pulling it toward itself with its immense gravitational power, much like a strong, infinite magnet. As the stars and gases draw closer together, a terrible dance begins, producing a tremendous amount of energy. Solid jets of energy dart away from the base of this cosmic chasm, moving in opposite directions. These magnificent jets, comprised of strong radio waves, emanate from the center of Alones and extend far beyond our understanding. The sheer force of these radio jets transforms the galaxy, creating an astounding display that amazes both researchers and those who enjoy gazing at the stars with its brilliant magnificence. Alones is a sign of the perpetual variety of phenomena that are astounding overhead. There are quite a number of galaxies in the universe, but this one is proud to flaunt its remarkable features, a cosmic fingerprint that makes it stand out. Its radio jets, which reach incredible lengths, weave a lovely tapestry of stars that fans out over an astounding region. Yet, what truly makes Alones unique is how intriguing it will be. It's an astronomical gem that ordinary people can't easily access. It is extremely rare to find radio galaxies of this size and scale. They resemble astronomical rarities in the fabric of the universe. Incredibly, Alones is further than all of them, with estimated lengths that are too vast to comprehend, extending beyond 2.3 million light-years. When the Ghostwood team stumbled upon this cosmic treasure, they were so excited because they knew they had found something truly astounding. The discovery of Alones helps us understand the universe better, as well as makes us more curious about exploring the mysterious realms that are out there. Alones is the star that shines brightest in the vast astronomical theater, where galaxies dance and black holes sing their gravitational songs. It is a masterpiece in space that transcends our ability to comprehend its magnificence, making us ponder all the astonishing things that are hidden in the cosmos. It ignites our desire to look up and enjoy the vast mysteries that are waiting to be uncovered. To grasp how immense Alones is, imagine a sculpture of Alones, the child of Uranus, standing at the renowned Pergamon altar in Berlin. Alones is named after the greatest galaxy of all time. It traverses an astounding 16 million light-years, which is the same distance as arranging 100 Milky Way galaxies. Remember that only a few radio galaxies are larger than 10 million light-years, making Alones a truly astounding cosmic giant. Researchers who study the universe are extremely excited about the discovery of Alones. Its colossal jets reveal a lot about the complex fiber structure of the cosmic web, which is an immense network of strings and groups that traverse the universe. While galaxies and groups are not difficult to see, the space between them, which is filled with fibers, is still hard to come by. The nearby cosmic medium influences Aloni's jets, showcasing the complex connection between galaxies and fibers by altering their shape and course in ways that challenge our previous understanding. Yet what truly fascinates scientists about Aloni's is how it evolves in a manner that conflicts with what most people believe. Theories typically state that radiogalaxies are formed by immense black holes and strong jets. However, Aloni's doesn't fit these models, so no one knows how it came to be. Even so, its discovery sheds new light on the intriguing and complicated relationship between galaxies and the space around them, opening up new ways to study and understand the universe. Now, let us divert our attention from the immense to the tiny as we explore the intriguing universe of asteroids. It's common for planets to have moons, but finding asteroids with moons is not usual. Up to this point, more than 1.1 million asteroids have been observed, yet only about 150 have been proven to have moons. However, researchers have recently discovered something even more astonishing: an asteroid with not one, not two, but 3 moons. Electra is an asteroid located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. When it was first found in the 1800s, Electra was hidden from view until its impressive gathering of moons was confirmed through careful study and observation. Each of Electra's moons is much smaller than the asteroid itself, with diameters ranging from a couple of 100 meters to a few kilometers. This makes the discovery even more fascinating. Having more than one moon orbiting a single asteroid opens up interesting ways to study how these systems move and interact under the influence of gravity. As researchers continue to examine this peculiar object in space, they hope to learn more about the complex processes that lead to the formation and evolution of asteroid moon systems. This will help them understand the history of our solar system from a broader perspective, while our perpetual curiosity keeps us searching for more. Researchers have recently made a discovery that goes beyond all expectations and makes every space expert gasp in amazement. Prepare for this astounding news. An asteroid has not one, not two, but 3 moons, which conflicts with all the rules of physics. The asteroid is the captivating lead in this amazing cosmic ensemble, while its small lunar companions gracefully orbit in a grand cosmic dance. Their presence, a galactic event that defies the odds, provides us with a fascinating insight into the mysterious workings of this planetary system. Artists, the revelation of this triple moon space rock conflicts with what we assumed we had some awareness of the world and separates the constraints of our thought process. It makes us wonder about the vast orchestra that brings these divine companions together and the powers that unite them in an entrancing dance of excellence. As we go deeper into the pit of existence, each new revelation assists us with understanding it better and opens up new conundrums that still can't seem to be addressed. The triple moon space rock is a divine miracle that is concealed somewhere down in the immensity of space. It is a reminder that the universe is brimming with shocks, and even the littlest pieces hold secrets that are beyond anything we could ever imagine. The James Webb Space Telescope caused these significant finds that remind us of how enormous and varied our universe is. New discoveries about the universe, like the colossal Aloni's galaxy or the intriguing Electra asteroid with its 3 moons, stretch the boundaries of what we know and feed our endless curiosity. As we anxiously anticipate new revelations, let us embrace the profound secrets that lie beyond our blue world, which will forever change how we comprehend the place we call home. After the Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope is the next great astronomical telescope. NASA, the European Space Organization, and the Canadian Space Agency are working together on it, named after James E. Webb, who ran NASA from 1961 to 1968. The telescope was launched on December 25, 2021. The James Webb Space Telescope's primary objective is to concentrate on the early universe and how stars, galaxies, and planetary systems came to be. The telescope works in the infrared range and has advanced tools and technologies that allow it to see things that other telescopes can't see or struggle to find. One of the coolest things about the James Webb Space Telescope is that it can look at things in the universe that are extremely far away and very old. Infrared light is extended by the expansion of the universe, so the telescope can see back to when these objects first emitted this light. Astronomers can utilize this ability to study the early universe, including the time just after the Big Bang. A truly astonishing finding is the stunning image that shows how 6 galaxies formed only 500 million years after the Big Bang. The image reveals a small piece of the sky that the James Webb Space Telescope observed during its early sightings. Capturing and concentrating on the faint light that these distant galaxies emit assists space experts in gleaning significant insights about how galaxies develop and change in the early universe. These outcomes have immense effects on our understanding of the past of the universe and provide important information about the circumstances that led to the formation of galaxies and the structures we see today. Existing theories and models are scrutinized by the way that galaxies formed unexpectedly early after the Big Bang. Researchers are eager to concentrate on these new subjects. The James Webb Space Telescope can do more than just look at distant galaxies. It can also study the atmospheres of exoplanets, explore how stars and planetary systems form in our universe, and investigate the dynamics of objects in our solar system, such as comets and asteroids. The James Webb Space Telescope's location is also vital to its scientific capabilities since it houses many intricate instruments, like the near-infrared camera. The second Lagrange point is where it is situated, around 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, going in the opposite direction of the Sun. From this vantage point, the telescope is protected from the Sun, Earth, and Moon's heat and light, allowing it to see faint and distant objects with a level of sharpness that has never been seen before. In summary, the James Webb Space Telescope is a colossal forward-moving step in our mission to learn about and study the universe. Its latest discoveries, like finding 6 galaxies from the early universe, demonstrate how helpful this astonishing telescope could be for science. As the James Webb Space Telescope's mission continues, it will likely make remarkable discoveries that will impact the way we contemplate the universe. But it's not just the early stages of formation of these astonishing galaxies that has scientists excited. No, their sheer size and striking complexity stretch the boundaries of what we thought was possible. In these extremely old, grand cosmic tapestries, researchers can see an astonishing orchestra of building structures in space, arms of spiraling stardust dancing together like ballet dancers in space, carelessly embracing thick star nurseries and enormous supermassive black holes. Scientists are truly astounded by not just how these galaxies came to be so early on but also by how large and complex they are. An astounding discovery since long before recorded history has begun a scientific revolution on a scale that has never been seen before. The amazing James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, which seems as though it came from space, has sent seismic shockwaves through the academic community, making scientists shudder with a powerful blend of excitement, wonder, and endless curiosity. Each little detail points to a grand cosmic story that hasn't been told yet, a story that has been referenced through the ages. How did these youthful galaxies rapidly develop such tremendous measures of mass and structure? What infinite powers made them what they are today, molding them into grandeur overhead while the universe was still a child? These galaxies resemble a tempting mystery that hasn't been solved, drawing scientists into an exhilarating dance of mystery and discovery. Due to what the James Webb Space Telescope found, researchers are filled with ideas, each one more captivating and dangerous than the last. Did these early galaxies form from primordial gas clouds that were hungry for matter, or did they form in astronomical collisions that were so powerful they created celestial monsters out of chaos? As the astonishing mysteries of these gigantic galaxies unfold right before our eyes, researchers are holding their breath. The James Webb Space Telescope, a guardian of discovery and knowledge, is prepared to address the mysteries by looking further into the void of space to find answers in the radiance of faraway stars. It takes a little longer to sort out the massive ensemble that plays across the universe's materials, with each new finding preparing individual voyagers. The James Webb Space Telescope has cast its incredible net into the vast void, ready to catch the interesting threads of truth that make up our lives. As researchers concentrate on the marvels of these early galaxies, giants born in the grand cradle of creation, We stand on the edge of understanding, prepared to embark on a journey that will change how we think about the very universe as a gateway to the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope has shown us something genuinely astonishing. It is a web page that both lowers and astonishes us, leaving us needing more. The insider facts of the far-off cosmic systems call to us through the void, and with the James Webb Space Telescope as our guide, we are prepared to figure out what lies beyond the limitations of time. When the James Webb Telescope took photos of these exceptionally old worlds, their enormous sizes stunned researchers. They are so huge that they dwarf even our own Milky Way. There are an impossible number of stars in some of these galaxies, which make them up to multiple times greater than our own. Researchers have tracked down stars with masses billions of times greater than our Sun within these immense objects. It's astonishing that one of these galaxies could hold a star with 100 billion times the mass of our Sun. The presence of such huge and fully formed galaxies in the early universe challenges existing models of how galaxies structure and change over time, stretching the boundaries of what we know. Imagine an unimaginably gigantic galaxy that is so large that it makes our own Milky Way appear small. The deep images of these old monsters taken by the James Webb Telescope have stunned researchers with how colossal they are. They are divine monsters that test our thoughts and help us look into the universe. Some of them are based on multiple times greater than our own system. Yet it's not just how big they are that flabbergasts us. In these exceptionally old worlds, an ensemble of stars sparkles out, painting the universe with a brilliance that has never been seen before. The number of stars within these beasts is greater than anything we have seen before. Consider a grandiose dance where a great many stars dance overhead, illuminating the deep pieces of space. However, that is not all. The astonishing things that occur as analysts dig further into the mysteries of these extremely old systems reveal something that changes everything we thought we knew. The star masses inside these enormous objects are so much greater than our Sun that they have a population of stars that is billions of times greater than our own. It's as though the celestial developers who made these cosmic masterpieces were twisted to the point of thinking ambitiously, creating star domains that don't fit any assumptions. Pause your breathing, because there is one more revelation that makes it impossible for us to comprehend anything more. Of all these systems, one stands out as the greatest and most powerful. Its mass potential is 100 billion times that of our Sun. It's evidence of the incomprehensible powers that were working in the early universe. Can you imagine a universe with such a cosmically enormous measure of star material? It raises doubt about our most trusted thoughts regarding how galaxies structure and change over time, forcing us to reconsider the fundamental ideas that help us understand the universe. This space wonder, which has its steadfast eye on the universe, is showing us things about it that we have never seen before. One of its most significant revelations is how incredibly large our universe is. A sight that leaves us stunned. The JWST recently found a strange object in the farthest reaches of the universe. What kind of colossal, terrible thing has caught the JWST's attention? You are going to be flabbergasted as we explore this object, which is greater than anything we have ever found throughout the entire history of the universe. A couple of regions have evolved as fast as cosmology. People have forever been keen on the mysteries of deep space, even through numerous ages. Now that revolutionary tools like the JWST are available, the beauty of the universe is calling to us even more. Its insane, exorbitant price tag of $1 billion and the complexity of its design show us how much worth we are going to get. One of the many astounding things that both researchers and ordinary people find captivating is how three-dimensional things in the universe are. Space is a vast region that can hold an immense number of different types of things. It's as if nature is determined to fill all aspects of this astronomical artwork. Here comes the Aloni's galaxy, an incredible illustration of how large the universe is. The astounding size of this galaxy, which is one of the largest ever found, has flabbergasted researchers. This galaxy is so immense it is 2.3 million light-years across. It's considerably greater than our own Milky Way. It was found by coincidence, yet it challenges long-held thoughts about how radio systems evolve, leaving researchers flabbergasted at how everything began. The Ohlonys galaxy is exceptionally large, but it's not the only one. The JWST has also taken photos of the astonishing Pandora's cluster, which shows how space-time twists. The JWST can investigate the deepest pieces of the universe and has uncovered things about this area that were not known before. For instance, it has shown that 3 enormous clusters have combined to form a much greater system, a megacluster. The JWST snapped a photo that has an astonishing blend of width and depth, which could impact the way researchers study how galaxies evolve. Watching the JWST's focal point allows us to perceive how light curves and how galaxies move in space. General relativity, a theory that Einstein came up with in 1915, is utilized by this space camera to observe and study things that we would normally not be able to see. The JWST uses the gravitational lensing effect to allow us to see light from galaxies far away. This gives us significant information about the early past of our universe. The James Webb Space Telescope makes us more intrigued by the universe and its secrets with each new discovery. Accompany us as we investigate things so enormous they are difficult to comprehend at the most profound levels of the universe. We are going to figure out the mysteries of our extremely large universe with the help of the JWST. This will change the way we think about the universe. We are almost there in discovering something new, and the potential of these old monsters makes us curious and wants to embark on a significant intellectual journey. As a grandiose time machine, the James Webb Telescope has shattered our thoughts and shown us a world that is even more intriguing, strange, and full of life than we ever expected. Not only are these old worlds interesting due to their tremendous sizes and enormous populations of stars, but they are also mysterious. How did these things come to be? What in the early stages of the universe caused them to grow to such immense sizes? By investigating these mysteries, we could potentially figure out how early galaxies formed and changed over time. This could change the narrative of the universe and uncover the hidden truths about how we came to be. Prepare to be flabbergasted because finding these old worlds has initiated a transformation in science that has space experts and physicists alike thinking in new ways. The stage has been set for the world, and we are just small actors in its grand play. When we look at these universe breakers, we feel like we're on the brink of a new age of enlightenment. The limits of what we think we know are being broken, making way for a deeper investigation of the universe. Are you ready to embark on a journey into the depths of the universe to see how galaxies that are beyond our wildest dreams are born and evolve over time? The James Webb Telescope will help us uncover the astonishing bits of wisdom concealed in these old monsters. The infinity of the universe holds many secrets. Prepare for a journey of the mind that will change everything. The manner in which we see our place in the universe is being clarified by great physicists like Michio Kaku, who are known for their profound comprehension of the world. This understanding is being reshaped by groundbreaking thoughts brought about by the astonishing revelations of the James Webb Space Telescope, which has been known as the most powerful space observatory ever constructed. It has uncovered many astonishing things that make us question all that we thought we knew about the universe. Researchers have called these old worlds seen by the James Webb Telescope universe breakers, as they possess an outsider quality that conflicts with our assumptions about the early universe. As scientists carefully study the small details of these colossal objects in space, they come to a harsh acknowledgement. The early universe was substantially more powerful, grand, and puzzling than we ever thought. These outcomes have implications that extend far beyond our current understanding of how galaxies form in the early universe. These enormous designs could change everything we know about the universe, compelling researchers to re-examine long-held ideas and assumptions. There must be a significant shift in the way we think about galaxy development, the rate at which stars form, and even the age of the universe itself if these ancient systems can form and grow so rapidly after the Big Bang. As researchers attempt to make sense of these universe-breaking events, the mystery surrounding them deepens. What caused these tremendous galaxies to form so quickly, conflicting with what we understand about the universe's evolution? What changes in the physical laws allowed them to grow so massive in such a brief time? And perhaps most intriguingly, what other vast mysteries lie hidden in the depths of these ancient designs, just waiting to be uncovered? If we figure out the answers to these questions, it could alter how we think about the universe and make us reevaluate our place within it. The James Webb Telescope allows us to look back billions of years and see how these galaxies were shaped and evolved. The way we explore the past gives us glimpses of a universe that is much more vivid, complex, and astonishing than we ever expected. These discoveries impact not only our understanding of how galaxies form but also shed light on the Dark Ages, a period in the universe's history when there weren't many stars. People used to believe that the first galaxies and stars formed a couple 100 million years after the Big Bang. However, the discovery of these massive galaxies from so long ago shows that stars might have formed much sooner than previously thought. This raises questions about how the universe transformed from the Dark Ages to a time filled with galaxies and stars. Because these astonishing revelations have so many implications, researchers are striving to adjust their models and ideas to fit this new data. Fundamental concepts like the age of the universe, the rate at which stars form, and the rules governing galaxy evolution must be reconsidered. We are in a period of scientific revision and update that could lead to significant advances in our understanding of the universe and how it came to be. However, this journey isn't just about exploring the incredible size and power of these celestial bodies. It's also a quest to decipher the mysterious language of the universe, where objects in space whisper secrets through the light they emit. With its astonishing capabilities, the James Webb Space Telescope decodes this cosmic language, interpreting the whispers of ancient galaxies and revealing their hidden stories. As we travel through the vastness of space, the alien universe appears out of the darkness, its brilliance and glory taking our breath away. This gigantic structure in space conflicts with our understanding of galaxies and challenges our notions of what they can be. Prepare to be amazed as we witness this cosmic giant being born and evolving, which will make us question everything we thought we knew about the universe. We face the mysteries of space and time itself as we continue to search for answers, with the James Webb Space Telescope as our interstellar guide. Get ready for a journey through space that will astonish you. Accompany us as we explore the boundless depths of space, comparing the size of the Ohlonys galaxy to our own Milky Way to gain a sense of the true scale of this cosmic theater. However, this journey isn't just about the celestial giants. It delves into the universe of radio galaxies that conceal secrets about how the universe evolved. The Ohlonys galaxy, which is particularly fascinating, showcases its captivating plasma crest, which stuns researchers with its enormous size and mysterious properties. Prepare to be awed by the profound insights that arise from this historic finding, as they will forever change how we think about the dance of galaxies and the evolution of systems. As we continue to investigate further, the James Webb Space Telescope explores the depths of space to see how space-time itself is bending in a narrative reminiscent of Greek mythology. Our eyes are drawn to Pandora's box, an astonishing image that illustrates how three immense groups of galaxies have merged to form an even larger megacluster. Prepare for an expedition through the universe where reality itself twists and turns, making us question our understanding of space-time and existence. We hope that these new discoveries about the celestial have provided you with a sense of wonder. Remember to subscribe to see more films like this. Do you have any thoughts on what intrigues you the most? Do you think they have something to hide? Are we ready to learn everything we know so little about in the universe? If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button. See you in the next one.